I got Mini Mixits. Let's open them. 4 boxes. This is who we can get. There's 2 in each box, and I got 4, so hopefully we can get the full set. I have scissors. I'm going to use scissors to open these quicker. That first. See who it is. We got Mickey! Second one. Oh. We got the White Rabbit. Second box. Oh, well, no wonder. They're taped on the side. No wonder I had to rip. I don't want to rip up all the boxes. Okay, I at least want one of the boxes. Okay. Next box. Ooh. Who is it? Pluto! Okay. Let's open this one. Oop. You only seen a sneak peek of it. Minnie Mouse! All right. Next box. Pascal! Okay. Let's see who's in here. I'm getting nervous. Because I'm nervous about duplicates.